Welcome to First Level Training, Firearms Education Center. Today we're going to be talking about dry fire practice. Dry firing is essential to maintain and develop good marksmanship. On the cheap, you can use a regular dummy pistol, a blue gun, or one of the SIRT pistols that we use here at First Level Training. If you want to do something kind of in the middle on the cheap, you can use an airsoft pistol. The ones that I like to use, this is a Walther P99 made by Umarex. It's about 65 bucks on Amazon. The good thing about this is it has a reciprocating slide. The CO2 cartridge is not in the magazine, so if the magazine is taken out, the gun still fires. Okay, very good for all of your essentials: stance, grip, sight picture, sight alignment, trigger and breath control, and follow through. This gives you a little bit of recoil and the ability to follow through with your shot. So your second shot is as good as the first. The other product out there that I like to practice with is the Game Face GF600 revolver. Now, of course, this does not have a reciprocating slide, so the recoil is non-existent, but it gives you a feel of a revolver. The grip is different, okay? You can see this. Keeping your grip revolver style. You can just fire it single action or double action. The hammer's coming back, but still following all the rules of proper stance, grip, and so on. So it's essential. The more trigger time you have, the better marksman you will be in the long run. Dry fire practice. It's essential. It's fun. First level training. Be smart, be educated, and be safe. And check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and our website, www.firstleveltrainingnj.com. We'll see you soon.